Hey everybody, it's Sandra sitting in my gallery. Just wanted to make sure that you knew about my online tutorials that I have started, and the link will be below the video. I will make sure that it's at the top of the description so you can see it and click on it. I will be bringing 2 videos with full step art from beginning to end, step by step. As a beginner, if you want to learn how to paint, things like this. So I'm super excited. I've already done a bohemian one. I am uploading an abstract tutorial, and there will be some acrylic pours, but more so I'm going to teach you how to do regular acrylic painting, abstracts, florals, landscapes, scenery, birds, you name it. We're going to do all kinds of different styles. So I'm super excited about it, and I wanted to make sure that you knew that there was an online tutorial platform that I have started and created, and you can purchase it per class or you can join the membership. So this was the first one that I did. Right here, this is Bohemian Rainbow Flower. You can paint this with no art experience. You can start as a beginner and paint this right here. So this is the first class that I've loaded up, and the one that I am uploading right now is this abstract here called Surrender. So if you want to learn how to paint, go take a look at my online tutorial platform and please join. You can purchase a class as you want it, or do the 1 month, the 6 month, or the yearly subscription. I will be giving you over 24 tutorials in a year. So a guarantee of 2 tutorials a month where you get to sit and paint in the comfort of your home and learn how to be an acrylic artist. I'm going to teach you. So please go check it out. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.